It's not every day that you get to meet and interview the god of Indian cinema. With me is the one and only Rajnikant. Sir, thank you very much for talking to us. We know that you do not give interviews normally. There's a lot of expectation and hype around Shivaji. And people have been talking about the Rajnikant style, the Rajni style. Let's hear it from you. What is the Rajni style?
See, actually, only the media, no, actually, they made it so big, really, to be frank with you. And now, now when they are comparing Rajinikanth with Amitabh Bachchan, to be frank with you, in the cinema world, Rajinikanth is only a king, probably a king. But Amitabh Bachchan is an emperor.
You're being very modest.
No, it's a fact. So don't compare emperor to a king, right? Amit is my inspiration and is my role model. Okay?
Okay.
And this hype, okay. So whatever it is Shankar's picture, AMM's. Whole credit goes to Shankar. He's the master director. Hats off to him and everything. You should congratulate and you should appreciate everything to Shankar. I am only an actor. You're like a puppet.
Okay, that's typical Rajni modesty. People say Rajnikant does not do stylish stuff. What Rajni does becomes style.
Maybe. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Actually, it is a God's grace. People.
We have been receiving a lot of fan mail, a lot of people coming on television talking about their favorite Rajnikant dialogue. Among all your films, many of them mega hits, which is your own favorite Rajnikant dialogue?
Now, that is my favorite. Thank you very much.
One more thing, sir. There's another dialogue of yours, Now, later bandalam, latest verve. You have been showing your movies to politicians. Does that mean a late entry and a latest entry into politics?
No, actually, the politicians, Chandrababu Naidu is my good friend. Okay. And my colleague actually is also my good friend. And Jalita also, I know her well. So I am showing this picture to my friends. They happen to be a politicians, right?
Chandramukhi is still running. It's in his third year. What are your expectations from Shivaji? How long do you think it will run?
Let's talk about Shivaji. Okay, dear?
All the best to you. And can we end the interview with your favorite Rajnikant typical salute?
Bye.
Thank you very much.
For many days now, there's been only one man that India is talking about, and that's the one and only superstar Rajnikant, and he's with us here on Times Now. Sir, I'm sure you've been asked many questions, but I just have one thing to ask you. Shivaji is releasing. You're a superstar. You've seen so many movies, but it's a really big budget movie. We just want to know, does Rajnikant know what it is being nervous?
Actually, I was not nervous before, but the media, the communication media, the press and you people hyped it so much. Now I am tense now. Now I am really tensed. Cool. But still, the picture is really a great picture. Definitely, I think definitely people will like it. Because the picture actually it is a socio-commercial family entertainer. It will entertain all classes. Definitely, I am sure about it. But I have to wait and see how big it will become, right?
Does the commercial success matter?
Naturally, it's a business, it's the industry, and it is whole credit goes to Shankar and AVM. Really, they worked so hard. I'm just an actor. What Shankar told me, I did that. That's all. The whole credit goes to Shankar, and he's an excellent director, and AVM, so this is a veteran producers. And I'm so happy not only entertainment, the picture has a really very good message in the youngsters, politicians, the educationists. They will definitely think about that.
Boss, Bachelor of Social Service.
I don't know if you ever get time to watch television, but if you have seen TV lately, you're the only person on every single channel, whichever language. How do you feel about the media hype?
I know, actually, now I've seen the media is hype. I'm tense, really. I'm so tense. I'm waiting the 15th, so that people should know that is what I want to hear from them. And I told even that other TV also that comparing me with Amitabh Bachchan, it disturbs me. It really disturbs me because he's great. See, I am his follower, I can say, okay? So he's my idol and he's my, he's my role model and he's my inspiration. Comparing me with him, actually, it disturbs me. No, it is like insulting that a big giant. And fine. It is.
What about your fans? We have seen them doing all sort of things. They're going to temples, praying for you. We saw them putting veil inside their mouths. How do you feel about that, sir? That
No, I mean, they really actually it moves me. It's so much love. They have, they're showing on me, and they're so innocently, they're showering their love on me. It actually, it touches me, right?
Just one more question about the movie. You look so young in the movie. You even have blonde hair in the movie. So how did you manage to look so young?
Ask Shankar. Ask Shankar. It is a professional secret, okay? Okay.
So one last question,
Yeah.
nothing to do with the movie, but $1 million question. Is Rajinikanth interested in politics at all? Would you enter politics?
No comments. Thank you.